to Reviews, and today we're here with SipSpy. This is their January box. Sorry, my bad. I'm trying to make it look nice. This is their January box. If you're not familiar with SipSpy, it is a monthly tea subscription box. So basically when you sign up to SipSpy, you're going to tell them everything that you like, you don't like. Do you like herbals? Do you like caffeines? What flavors? What, you know, all that good stuff. And then from there, they're going to customize you a box with 4 different teas in it. You're going to try them out. You're going to go back and you're going to tell SipSpy what you thought of those, and they're going to further refine your profile, which I think is really cool. It's a great tea discovery box. So, just so you guys know before we get in here, my cat's in the room. He's acting kind of crazy. I love floral teas. I love a mixture of herbal and caffeinated teas. And yeah, that's about all you need to know. So you open it up. Oh, boxes are $15. I will link down below to my to SipSpy with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my review on my blog, where we'll go in depth and stuff. He knocked down the rope. Oh, Henry. All right, anyway, so here's our insert. On the back, it lists each of the teas that's included in the box, along with some information about each one. There are also coupons if you want to buy more at the retail websites. On the SipSpy site, you need a code, though, that's like you only get if you're a subscriber, so I don't have that for you, sorry. Anyway, so we'll come back to this at the end. So you can look right down in and see all our 4 teas. So first thing I want to point out, he's fired, is that each box from SipSpy comes with a packet of loose disposable tea bags for the loose leaf tea that you will receive in this box, because you will receive some. All right, so first up we have, this is from Ahmad Tea. This is the beauty tea. This is peach, carob, and rose petals. Vibrant with green nettle leaves and fragrant lemon verbena, this fruity, peachy brew is sure to leave you feeling radiant and revitalized. It does sound like this is herbal as well, which is really cool and good for your skin, making you look all vibrant. All right, next up we have Tea Kittens Cacao Heart Eyes. This is highly caffeinated, I can tell you right now, because it has yerba mate, oolong, and, you know. About this tea, this spiced cocoa blend is as warm and comforting as a cozy fire on a chilly evening. Melted chocolate flakes and add a touch of sweetness to toasty chicory and cinnamon spice. Roasted yerba mate and oolong tea provide an energizing boost and balance the complex flavors with the smooth caramel essence for a tea that will give you major heart eyes. That's cute. Include in the ingredients are cocoa kernels, white cocoa butter, splits, carob, cinnamon, chocolate flakes, chicory root, oolong tea, roasted yerba mate, and flavor. There are steeping instructions as well. This is a loose leaf tea. All right. Then we have from Stash. Yes, I love this tea. I love this one. This is Stash's Moroccan Mint. This just has green tea, spearmint, lemongrass, and peppermint. This is fabulous. I love just the simple tea. I love mint, and this has lemongrass, which I also love. This has a little bit of caffeine because it's green tea, so it's good for, I'd say, like a 1 or 2 o'clock if you don't like to drink coffee past a certain time. So there's 4 of these bags included. All right, our final tea, guys. This is from Tranquility. This is their organic Hallows Eve. Ooh. This is organic black tea, cinnamon chips, orange peel, apricot pieces, and natural brandy essence. So this is also highly caffeinated. All right, let's look at the insert. So first we have the Hallows Eve Tranquility. Contains caffeine. The beauty tea is caffeine free. The Moroccan Mint by Stash is low caffeine. And then the Cacao Heart Eyes contains caffeine. So those are the 4 teas that I received. Like I said, I will link down below to my blog where, you know, I'll do a full review like I always do. And then I will also link to SipSpy so you can check them out if you'd like to. No pressure, no pressure. If you want, no worries if you don't. It's cool by me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.